Alright, as you can see from the thumbnail, we're opening up the 3 legendary Galarian bird tins from Crown Zenith. These are the ones with 5 packs each. So let's go ahead and get on into it. I'm going to move these up here, and we'll start with the Galarian Moltres one. These were in the tin. Oh, that was weird to open. Alright. Starting off with the Lightning Energy. Chill. Trekking Shoes. Shaman. A Coughing. An Oddish. Simlet. Energy Switch. Grubbin. A Hollow Energy. And Zora. It's pretty cool. Put all the hits on top of those. Alright, let's go to the next pack. Another Coughing. But I forgot to show the other code card, my bad. So here we go. Fighting. Rare Candy. Dusclops. Coughing again. Sunkern. Bidoof. Limp. Lion. A Love Disc. And a Steel Stone. Alright. Let's go to the next pack. Nothing too crazy. I do like those hollow energy things though. Alright. One, two, three, four. Alright, Fire. Luna Stone. Soul Rock. Oh, that's crazy. Rare Candy. Another Bidoof. A Potion. Galarian Mr. Mime. A Sunkern. A Hollow Steel Energy. And another non-hollow. Wow. Let's go ahead and go with another pack. Well, get that code card there for y'all. Let's see what we can get on this one. Psychic. Sharp. Graveler. Pokemon Catcher. Yamnan. Bernard. Kricketot. Shinx. Galarian Mr. Mime. Oh ho ho! A beautiful Galarian Galaxy Raikou V. Beautiful card. Oh, and it's double hit. Franz and Sinnoh. Alright, we'll definitely take those. That was a good one. And I will put all of these in penny sleeves and everything at the end, after the recap. All of them in penny sleeves and put in top loaders. Alright, let's go. Looks like we got that Steel. Metang Energy Switch. Rockruff, Purrline, Love Disc, Chatot, Yaman, and a Mareep. Can it be another double hit? No, it cannot be. That wasn't that bad. At the end, we'll do the rundown, and y'all can comment and think and see who y'all think won out of these bird tins. All right, let's go ahead and go with the Galarian Articuno. Start it off. I am interested to see which one will win today. Alright. And we'll do the Divergent tins next time. Alright. Put these packs over here. Lightning. Great Ball. Soul Rock. Trekking Shoes. Potion. Galarian Mr. Mime. The Sunkern. Darn Coughing. Oddish. Luxray and Volcarno? I don't know. That to the side. Let's go ahead and I don't think these code cards really matter as far as what they look like. Dark Energy, a Bisharp, a Graveler, Pokemon Catcher, a Wooloo, a Shinx, Pancham, Snorunt, Ponyard, a Skelp, and a Dubwool. Non-hollow. I wonder if that's going to be a theme. Like the last 2 packs, and these are going to be the hits, and the first 3 are not going to be hits at all. If that's the case, we may break a code today. Alright, let's go with these 4. Alright, Leaf Energy. Another rare candy. Yungoos. It's a cute. Energy Retrieval. Emolga. Another Shinx. Well, that's a bad print line right there. And Blossom. Alright. It's the second to last. For the Moltres. And he has nothing over there. Look at him. He's all alone. Let's see if we can get him some good hit friends. Lightning Energy. Giraffe. Rescue Carrier. Sandlot. A Paralion. Grubbin. Yep. What's up? Oh, there we go. Toxicity. Can it be a double hit? It's going to be. Zacian V-Star. Good cards, good cards. Alright, let's go with this last pack over here. I like that Raikou, man. That was a good looking card. Alright. Y'all can comment to see what y'all want me to open next. Whatever y'all want to see, I'll go out and purchase and show it off. Aaron, a Railu, a Starly, a Scyther, a Pokeball. Oh, the Simisear V. That's not a bad looking card. I like that. I like that a lot. But in my mind, I still think the Moltres has it going on. So, we got those. And the last one, the Zapdos. Let's see what we can pull out of this Galarian Zapdos 10. Alright, here's a code card. And see, last 2 packs were hits, the bottom 2 packs. The bottom 2 packs were hits on those, besides the Hollow Energies in the first couple ones. But we're definitely going to try it out. Just a V-Star card. So no energy. That Crushing Hammer. Sorry about that, guys. Crushing Hammer. Let's see. Ultra Ball. A Love Disc. A Chatot. A Yaman. Ponyard. A Doof. Oh, we got a Reggie Gigas V-Star. This is the top one in this one. So we actually got a hit from top one. So I guess it really doesn't matter where they're laying. I thought we were going to crack a code. Alright. Let's see. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Got the Energy. Lost Vacuum. All right. Franz and Sinnoh. Execute. Another Love Disc. Emolga. Yaman. Bernard. In the reverse Pancham. And in the rare slot, we got the Hop signature card. Not bad. Not bad. All right, we got 3 more left out of this. Oh, I always do that. One, two, three, 4. All right, got Energy, Leonard, Branzino, Gloom, Young Goose, Shevish, Execute, Rock Ruff, Lion. Oh, there's the Shaman and one of the Cloud people. All right, these are the second to last. There's 2 more packs left. Oh, I think I saw some. I think I saw something in there. So it looks like we may have a good hit. Let's just hope for the best. Fighting Energy, Shaman, Francina, the Railu, the Young Goose, Trevish, Starly, the Switch. Oh, it's the Radiant Eternus. Not a bad looking card. And behind it, we got a Zamazenta V. Not terrible, not terrible. Now we're down to the last pack. Last pack. Let's see what we can do with it. Well, that opened up weird, didn't it? So let's go ahead and get that code card to y'all. All right. Let's see if we can get some really good last pack magic. Railu, Starly, Scyther, Emolga. Okay. We got a Galarian Gallery card. And the last card is going to be a regular Gumshoes. So let's do the recap real quick. It looks like from the Moltres 10, we got a Mareep, the Raikou V, a Franz and Sinnoh, the Hollow Steel Energy. Oh, I forgot. I don't even know why I put that in there. Sorry, guys. And then a Hollow Lightning Energy. And in the Articuno, we pulled the Simisear V-Star, Toxicity, and the Zacian V-Star. And in the Zapdos one, we pulled the Lucario, a Radiant Eternus. I like how they have those stripes right there. It's pretty cool. A Zamazenta V, and the Regigigas V-Star. Galarian Gallery. But that's all for today, guys. If y'all want to see me open up anything else, I got a bunch of different products that we could do.